Just like we know that 2 plus 2 plus 2 means 3 times 2. That is 2 in 3 places. In algebra, x plus x plus x means 3 times x. That is x in 3 places, 3x. The same way, a plus a plus a plus a is a in 4 places, and we say it is what? 4a. Or you say 4 times a. You know there is a little multiplication sign between a number and an alphabet in algebra. So if I ask you to solve x plus x plus x divided by 3, what does that mean? The same way I would ask you to do 2 divided by 2, what would you do? You simply say, okay, let me share 2 by 2 people. Let me share this number 2 by 2 people. These are my 2 people. So you do 1, 2. And then each of them has what? 1. And you say 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. Sorry. The same way, if I ask you to do this divided by 3, what does that mean? 1, 2, 3. 3 people, I'm sharing 3x. I see them here. So this is x, x, x. The first person has 1x, the second has 1x, the third has 1x. So your answer is what? X. But we will not do this. This is what we do in algebra. You recognize this as being 3x, and then your over 3 is under. And what is that? 3 can simply cancel 3, and your answer is x. See? This is what we do now. We don't do this again, but I hope you understand. The same x you got here. So that's how to handle division in algebra. So if I give you 20y divided by 5, what would you do? 5 goes into 24. Of course, you can't cancel y. There is no y here to cancel the y on top. So your answer becomes 4y. The same thing, we are asked to multiply 2x by 3. The answer simply becomes 2x plus another 2x plus another 2x. And what is that? 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. And then how many? 6x. Is that okay? I'm adding the first 2x to the second 2x to the third 2x. But we might not necessarily do that. We just multiply the numbers, and that's 6x. That's a faster way to do it. I'm just trying to make you see it in different ways. Whichever way you choose is correct. But this is faster than doing this. This makes you understand why it is so. But this is what we do in algebra. So if I ask you to solve this, what would you do? 3 times 8m. Multiply this and then give me your answer. Now let's see some addition and subtraction in algebra. How do I handle this? Now know that this means x plus x plus x, right? And this means what? X plus x plus x plus x. What am I doing? X in 3 places, x in 4 places. And this is my addition sign. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is what? 7x. But again, we don't do that. I can simply add this to this. 3 plus 4 is what? 7, and I pick 1x. 7x. It's like saying 3 pencils plus 4 pencils. What is that? You say 7 pencils. You don't say any other thing. You just simply pick the pencils that were here and say 7 pencils. You don't do anything to the x. You don't add the x to the x. I see students adding this x to this x to have 2x additional to what they had by adding these numbers. So look at it like 3 pencils and then 4 pencils. What is that? Simply 7 pencils. Nothing else is done to the pencils. Is that okay? Good. The same way, if I ask you to solve 10n minus 3n, what would that be? Simple. You don't need to go write 10n and then subtract. There's nothing wrong if you want to do that, but it's smarter to just subtract 10 minus 3 and then pick 1 n. And what's 10 minus 3? 7. So that's 7n. But if I give you this 5x plus 3y, what can you do to that? In algebra, this is your final answer. The answer means what it is, because you cannot add x to y. It's like saying 5 pens plus 3 pencils. Your answer, no matter how you mix them all up, the answer still remains 5 pens plus 3 pencils. You wouldn't say 8 anything. 8 what? Would you say 8x? That would be wrong. Would you say 8y? That would be wrong. Would you say 8xy? 8? Do you say 8 pencils y? Do you actually have 8 pencils? No, you only had 3 pencils and 5 pens. So there is no way you can add when the letters are different. Please take note. This remains the way it is. You don't change it. Thank you. Please like our video. Bye-bye.